I'm representing Team Hazardous Waste, and we are predicting which hazardous waste generators in New York State are most likely to be violators. Ha, all right. So what is hazardous waste? When you think of it, or if I think of it, I would think of some neon green goop seeping out of industrial barrels, but it's actually a lot more common than that. Hazardous waste can be anything from crushed fluorescent light bulbs to chemicals used at dry cleaners to even fish carcasses laced with PCBs. It can be produced by hospitals, by labs at universities, or by auto body detail shops. And it's important that we manage the shipment, treatment, and disposal of such waste in order for us to prevent incidences such as this. This is the Animas River in Colorado, where heavy metal sludge seeped into the river, causing damage to the environment and the community within it, in addition to other negative repercussions which are yet to be determined. This is why we need agencies such as the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, or NYSDEC. NYSDEC is a state EPA agency which ensures that facilities that generate such waste are up to par with regulation. In New York City alone, there are over 25,000 facilities. However, there are only 3 inspectors. They're able to perform about 90 inspections per year, but given such constraints, this is a very difficult problem. Here is a map of just the facilities, again, in New York City alone, that are in New York City alone. Again, how does an inspector determine which facilities to inspect? How does an inspector determine which facilities will have violations? Additionally, not all facilities are created equal. Here, again, the same map in New York City alone, we have all the facilities that are located in flood hazard zones. That means that if materials aren't stored properly and there is a flood, that material could seep into the water supply. Additionally, there are other considerations such as proximity to schools or environmental justice areas. We aim to solve this problem by using machine learning tools. We use 3 publicly available data sources and extract the attributes about the facilities themselves and the investigations. We feed in these attributes into a machine learning model that spits out a ranked list of facilities ordered by the probability of violation. We put this information in an easy-to-use application for inspectors to use. On the left-hand panel, we have our list of facilities ranked by their risk score. On the right-hand panel, we have a map of where the facility is located with options for the inspector to overlay geographic features such as flood zones or population density. This can further be extended to other geographic attributes as well. Presently, about 400 violations are found per every 1,000 inspections. With our model, we predict that we can find about 750 violations per 1,000 inspections. This is an increase of about 87%. We hope to be able to field test our model and extend it to other EPA agencies and programs so they can more effectively and efficiently protect the environment and the communities within it. Thank you.